Get ready for a game changer in the world of TikTok automation. Since TikTok launched its own spin on YouTube monetization, called the TikTok Creativity Program, there's been a huge buzz. As you're tuning into this video, guess what? TikTok accounts are raking in a whopping $15,000 on that platform. It's all thanks to the viral nature of TikTok, where creators are hitting millions of views on some videos. Now, as of this recording, the TikTok Creativity Program is limited to certain countries. But what if you're not in one of those countries? Well, hang tight. I've discovered a clever trick to bypass that eligibility criteria, and I'll spill the beans at the end of this video. But first, let's talk about the real challenge: creating those viral motivational videos. It sounds daunting, right? Tons of editing time and practice. Or keep watching, and I'll reveal how I crafted these viral motivational videos with an AI tool without any editing software. If you've seen the wonders of ChatGPT, you're gonna love this. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the ChatGPT of video making, an advanced AI app that crafts videos from your text prompts. Just like ChatGPT gives us answers, this AI app gifts you with a video. Let's dive into how it works. Open your browser and search for Invideo AI. Now click on the very first link. This is Invideo Video Creator. Invideo is a well-known online video editor tool. Now it's coming with AI. Alright, to start our journey with Invideo AI, hit the Try Invideo AI button. You have to create an account. You can do it with your email or Google account. It's so simple. After creating the account, you have to answer some additional questions. After all of this, you will be on the creator page powered by AI. This is the prompt box. Here you can give the prompt and AI will create a video for you. You have to just enter your video topic, duration, and other details. Remember, your prompt is the secret sauce to an awesome video, so sharpen those prompting skills. For example, I want to make a motivational video on stress management techniques for better fitness results. Alright, let's write our prompt. Create an engaging YouTube short that delivers a deeply motivational speech aimed at stress management techniques for better fitness results. The video should begin with a powerful opening statement and maintain a fast-paced rhythm. Utilize a deep American male voice and incorporate a striking sound effect at the beginning, followed by a transition to uplifting background music. Use large subtitles divided into smaller segments. The subtitles should appear word by word. For emphasis, employ a combination of slow and fast-paced clips synchronized with the voiceover, and ensure a high level of video editing to enhance visual impact. Here I mentioned YouTube Shorts because TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts are the same. Okay, after entering the prompt, hit the Generate button. To tailor the video to your needs, the app will prompt you to select a few things. First, select the type of audience. I will select fitness enthusiasts. Then, for the look and feel of the video, I stick with inspiring. And the platform is YouTube Shorts, as it's the same as TikTok. After all is set, hit the Generate button. While the AI works its magic, it will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Invideo generates a video for us. Now you can export the video or can customize it. Before going to the next step, let's watch the video first.
Imagine, if you will, a world where stress doesn't hinder your fitness journey. You're not dreaming, it's possible. Stress management is the secret weapon to better fitness results. First, breathe. Deep, engaging breaths. It's simple, but it's powerful. It calms the mind and prepares the body for action.
That is really a great video. Informative and friendly. The visuals are perfect. Okay, let's do some customization. You can customize the video in two methods. Just give a prompt in this prompt box, or click on the Edit button from here. Let's try with the prompt. For example, I don't like the second scene and want to change it. Let's type, change the scenes from the first 10 seconds of the clip. And here it is.
Possible. Stress management is the secret weapon to better fitness.
If you want to add any specific footage, just mention it. You can do everything with a text prompt. For example, I want to change the voiceover. I am typing, change the voiceover to a deep American female voice. And here it is.
Imagine, if you will, a world where stress doesn't hinder your fitness journey.
Now let me show you another way to edit this video. If you click Edit under this video, this will bring up a screen displaying all the scenes. You have the freedom to upload your own media or select from Invideo AI's extensive stock library, offering 8 million royalty-free clips from the top-tier sources like Shutterstock and iStock. Just pick one best scenes and then hit apply. If you want to customize the script, click on Edit Script from here. You will notice the full script on this page, and it's editable. Let's make some changes. I will add some lines at the start of the video. Feeling stressed? Don't scroll. After completing the editing, click on Apply Change from here, and it's done. In this way, you can change the script, change media from any scene and anything. Now video editing is not a tough task at all. Alright, after all is set, click on the Export button from here and then select Export Video. It's very important. First, select the video resolution. You can select up to 4K. I will keep it 1080p. Next, the watermark. If you want to export without a watermark, then you have to buy a premium subscription. Alright friends, after all is set, click on the Continue button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. I will skip this part. And our video is ready. Let's enjoy the video.
Feeling stressed? Don't scroll. Imagine, if you will, a world where stress doesn't hinder your fitness journey. You're not dreaming. It's possible. Stress management is the secret weapon to better fitness results. First, breathe. Deep, engaging breaths. It's simple, but it's powerful. It calms the mind and prepares the body for action. Second, practice mindfulness. Be present, embrace the now. This keeps your focus sharp and your workout effective. Third, sleep. Yes, sleep. Quality rest is the unsung hero of fitness. It rejuvenates the body and refreshes the mind. And lastly, keep a positive mindset. Fitness isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Each day is a step closer to your goal. Remember, stress won't pull you down, you will rise above it. Breathe, be mindful, rest well, and stay positive.
I think it's a great video in a short time. Very informative and well crafted. Now everyone will be able to create high quality content for their TikTok account with minimal effort. Now let's talk about the account issue. If you are not based in the allowed country, then you can use a good VPN and Google Voice to create a new USA-based account. Another way is to buy a US-based account. Yes, many freelance creators sell US-based accounts. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a TikTok video with Invideo AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!